Before the sun rises over America's highways, millions of products are already on the move. For generations, truck drivers connected farms, cities, factories, and communities. They carried the goods that helped keep everyday life moving. But the road is changing. Automation is becoming part of transportation across America. For drivers like Earl, the future feels very different from the past. Meet Earl. A fictional character inspired by the experiences of countless long-haul drivers. For more than 4 decades, the road became his second home. Through storms, holidays, and sleepless nights, he kept moving forward. Every morning started the same way. A familiar road. A familiar stop. For years, Mary greeted him before the first cup of coffee. Some routines become part of who we are. Even in a digital world, Earl still trusted paper maps. Every mark carried a memory. People think trucking is just driving. But after enough years, you learn things no map can teach. You learn the towns, the people, the roads that don't appear on a screen. Maybe technology can do many things, but experience still matters. While Earl's world remained familiar, the industry around him was changing. New tools were helping companies move freight faster than ever before. Automation was becoming part of everyday logistics. Earl watched these changes with interest. He wasn't afraid of the future. I'm not against technology. I've seen plenty of changes over the years. The roads changed. The trucks changed. But people still matter. The question wasn't whether the future would arrive. It was what we might forget along the way. Every delivery tells a story. Some stories begin with a simple delivery.
Sarah Miller runs the local grocery store.
Good morning, Earl. Good to see you.
Good morning, Sarah. Always a pleasure.
Got everything on the list?
Every single crate.
For years, she knew exactly who was bringing supplies to town.
There you go, Earl. Everything looks perfect as always.
Drive safe out there. I'll see you next week, Sarah.
Behind every stocked shelf is a chain of people working together.
Then there are the places where deliveries matter even more.
Emily Carter works at a rural healthcare clinic.
Reliable deliveries help communities stay prepared.
Many people never see the journey those supplies take.
Every stop on Earl's route connected him to someone. Some roads lead to cities. Others lead to the people who feed them. Jack Hansen spent his life working the same land his family had farmed for generations. Every season brought new challenges. Every harvest brought new hope. For years, Earl delivered supplies to Jack's farm. Over time, business became friendship. Like many farmers, Jack depended on timing. That meant deliveries had to arrive when they were needed. Sometimes the smallest moments leave the biggest impressions. After thousands of miles, it wasn't the highways Earl remembered most. It was the people waiting at the end of the road. Life on the road gives you time to think. Sometimes those thoughts lead back home. Family gatherings happened without him sometimes. But those memories never left him. For decades, the highway became part of his story. The road gave him challenges. And it gave him moments most people never get to see. Maybe that's why I stayed so long. Because every mile carried a purpose. As the industry changed, so did the conversations happening around it. One afternoon, Earl met a young software engineer named Daniel Reed.
Daniel worked on transportation technology.
They came from different generations, but shared the same table. It's a long road, Daniel.
I bet it is, Earl.
I'm not afraid of the future.
I just hope we don't forget the people who helped build it. I just hope who helped build it. Technology can improve a lot of things. But conversations like this remind us what experience looks like.
Neither man had all the answers. But both understood that progress and memory could travel the same road. Every driver eventually reaches a final run. This trip wasn't about freight anymore. One more sunrise, sunrise. One more highway. One more memory. The road will keep going. But every mile carries the memory of the people who traveled it. And perhaps that story is worth remembering.